Dub versus sub!
Are you the strongest because you're Satoru Gojo? Or are you Satoru Gojo because you're the strongest?
Ooh, okay.
君は五条悟だから最強なのか、最強だから五条悟なのか。
He was seriously injured in a work accident and declared dead. Until later, he literally walked out of the morgue. Next, he died of malaria, but woke up inside his coffin. A year later, a car crash killed him, but he came back to life, and after a venomous snake bite, he spent 3 days in the morgue before waking up. Then he fell into a deep toilet pit full of toxic waste, but survived again. The villagers believed he was a ghost and set his home on fire to kill him once and for all. But he woke up in the morgue again, defeating death 6 times. Now his neighbors fear him and he's forced to live alone, all because he cheated death too many times.
Because you've already had breakfast. But you still have dinner to look forward to. A plastic magic wand! Sweet! Make a wish! I wish I had 6 eyes.
That's what you get for running away from me. I was trying to be nice and show you around campus. I was trying to be friendly, and you walked away from me.
Glass of milk slimes, you gang.
Bro, I didn't say a word.
I know you walked away from me.
Oh my God.
Have to create that need.
Okay, but how?
Use the pain of loss.
Loss? What are you talking about?
I'll show you. See, this is your mom.
Hoyo?
Yes, your Hoyo. If you don't stop me, I'm going to drop her on her head.
Stop!
Make me.
Where you at? Put me down right now.
I'm sorry, lady, but you're going to have to stop moving for a while.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bare minimum, as you should. My door, please.
Of course. Get your seatbelt.
Can we start that for you?
As you should.
Nice little massage.
Villamajana. Saved by Midnard. Sent back at him and he saves it again. Still batting around. Unbelievable flurry of saves by Jonah Midnard between the...
If you grab a mallet and start pounding a chicken breast, you break the fibers and thin the meat. And the thinner it is,
Who has the best Itadori impression?
Black Flash! Black Flash!
Black Flash!
Black Flash! Kokusem!
Alright, I'm ready for our date. Oh my god, what are you wearing?
What do you mean?
You said you had the perfect fit.
This is the perfect fit.
Right, first question. Are you the killer? No. Really? Yes. Killer say what? What? Got him! We got him! Kill.
You said you a Naruto character?
I'm Naruto Uzumaki himself.
So you are the real Naruto?
Of the real world, yes. Anyone can be their own.
Show me a superpower.
You mean jutsu? Hagebushi no jutsu! Rasengan!
Hey, honey pie. You ready to pucker up for the Bradster?
I sure am.
Jackpot.
ああ、アイス食べてるの？
食べてる。
何味？
これはチョコミント。
ああ、チョコミント！何が好き？チョコミントって言えー！よりも、挽回、展開、先輩、おっぱい！あ、やめてください！
孫の神様！
手は好きなんだ。
Being harvested.
よう、久しぶり。反転術式。正解。
God damn it!
Oh, this is about to be a battle. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh snap. Oh, hits him again. He's jump scared me.
Excuse me, I think I can speak your language, bro. I think I can speak your language. Yeah. What's your language?
We can speak English, Bangla, and Japanese.
Okay, আমি বাংলাদেশ বাংলাভাষী.
Seriously, you can speak Bangla?
তোমার নাম কি?
আমার নাম জিহাদ. What's your name?
Yuji.
Yuji Itadori.
Hey, DeBerry.
What's up?
Why are you playing as the raccoon? Is it because you're trash?
Jesus, you
girls don't know when to shut up. Why are you playing a squirrel girl? You like stuffing your face with nuts? Oh no, never mind. Now I see why you play squirrel girl. You guys have a similar build, hairy arms and chubby cheeks. Makes perfect sense. I got an idea. How about you just play the Hulk? It'd be like looking in a mirror all over again. You're practically built like one of the homies. And I mean this in the nicest way possible. Stick to Starbucks and posting those bikini pics on passes. That's the only place you're ever going to be successful. Does that sound good to you?
Dude, it was just a joke.
We can't let her catch us until we've done something bad!
Oh, you could have told me!
Sorry!